Good morning, everybody. K&Ro here. So we are at the Harpers Ferry National Historic Park Visitor Center. We're going to be hiking the Maryland Heights Trail today, which the trailhead starts down in Lowertown at the footbridge that crosses the Potomac into Maryland. Parking down there at the train station is very limited. So the better option is to park a little further out of town at the Park Visitor Center here. They have a free shuttle service that runs every 10-15 minutes or so. So that's where we're at now. We're waiting for the shuttle to show up, and then we're going to head down to Lowertown and start this hike.
However, there is a park admission fee, so you have to pay to park your car.
It's $20 per vehicle here. Luckily, we're old, and we just recently got our senior citizen lifetime pass. So this is actually the first time we're using it here. So it's working out well.
Oh, it's going to keep going on.
Hello. Okay, get on. Good morning.
Hello. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Thanks.
So we just got to walk down Shenandoah Avenue here. Very short walk, and we'll be in Lowertown at the start of the trail. Walking through downtown historic Harpers Ferry, which is known as Lowertown. There's a lot of Civil War history here, even pre-Civil War history. Industrial, right? History. And we're going to put together a very detailed tour of what's known as Lowertown Harpers Ferry here, and we'll include a link to that video down below in this video. Okay, where I just reached the trailhead, this bulletin board right here marks the end of the Maryland section of the Appalachian Trail and the beginning of the West Virginia section. It's the trailhead for the Maryland Heights Trail, which is going to take us across that footbridge there, which crosses the Potomac River and then up into those cliffs on the Maryland side. So I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be some great views of Lowertown Harpers Ferry from up there. And by the way, this town is crazy crowded with tourists. There's no chance in hell that you're going to have any any part of this to yourself. There's just always people here. I see something I have to look into over there. Well, we're gonna have to look into that tunnel right there. Yeah.
Down there?
Huh?
Wanna go down there?
Yeah, I'm gonna go look in there. Oh, where's this go?
Bats.
Huh?
Watch out for bats.
Oh, it ends right there. So this goes back maybe 25, 30 feet. And dead ends here, you can see that close. You can see a little of it. Cool. That's
Oh,
okay.
shoot.
Yeah, that's okay. As long as you don't mind being on YouTube.
Hey, that's fine. I don't mind at all. That's awesome, dude. That's so cool.
So I believe we're going to be heading up to these cliffs, Ro. Oh, she's not listening to me. What is this? Locks?
Yeah.
Canal locks. So this is the C&O Canal Path, right?
Yeah.
Let's look at the bridge that we just crossed over. We're on the Maryland side now, by the way. Look at all the ivy on this tree. I would think one day it's going to kill this tree. Chairs. Okay, so the hike that we've started, Maryland Heights Trail, we're here right now, so it would go up and over to a viewpoint here and out and back. There's another Stone Fort Trail, which is a loop that goes up to the summit and back. That's very steep and strenuous. That turns what would be a 2.8 out and back that we had planned. And we decided to do the Stone Fort. It's going to turn it in close to 5 miles. So I think we'll decide once we get to the top if we're doing that or not. It's quite a climb. So it's saying we're standing on the border between the North and South during the Civil War. It's the highest ridge surrounding Harpers Ferry, Maryland Heights. Played a prominent role in the strategic operations of both the Union and the Confederacy. We're at the site of an old naval battery here. 300 feet above the river. First Union fortification on Maryland Heights, hastily built in 1862, that had naval guns positioned up here. You know, everything's overgrown now, but I can see some rooftops from Harpers Ferry down there. Okay, so we've come up the green so far. We're right here. We continue on the red, and I think we'll call it a day doing out and back. big loop is just going to be too much. There you go, Harpers Ferry, Lower Town Harpers Ferry down below us. Make my way down here, footing is very rocky.
You know, yeah, like when my dad goes, Mom, you know, Mom, I will help you, you know, but like I am not 911, you know.
Okay, so what we have here is off to the left. We have the Shenandoah River coming down, and to the right we have the Potomac River coming down. And wow, you can really see good distance here. And they meet, converge right here at the point down below here, which is the very tip of Lower Town Harpers Ferry. You can see the pedestrian bridge that we walked across, and right at the end of that is John Brown's Fort. Leading up Shenandoah Street is where we had walked down this morning, where the bus dropped us off. You can see the stone steps leading up to the Appalachian Trail, where that church peak is out there. That heads out to Jefferson Rock. This is just fantastic view. Wrap things up here at the Maryland Heights Overlook. I hope you enjoyed this look at the trail. I thought it was a pretty fantastic trail.
Yeah, very nice.
Very steep climbing up here. I even said to Ro at one point that I thought it was harder than Tammany back home.
But it's pretty quick, so
Yeah.
it's something you could do in a morning or an afternoon.
And there's no rock scrambling until you get like right down here to the summit. But and I'll give you a quick look at here at what the summit looks like when you're coming down. The whole way up is just a steep incline, but it's flat. But I'm taking that back. I think Tammany was harder.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for joining us, guys. And just hang out for a second and I'll show you the old trail stats. Till next time. Bye.